You guys, we're gonna open this box up in case I bought of the 55th anniversary set. See if we get chasing this. I think we're supposed to get one chasing case. This is a nice looking set. I think it's the best one they've ever done. Let's see. Nissan. 96 Nissan NSX. Is that what this is? 180 SX type. Let me get the light on here. I can't see what I'm doing. Oh. Well. All right. That's another one. Another one. Another one. I'll probably give a set of these away on one of my giveaways. There's 5 of those. Okay, there's a new one. BMW. BMW. They're all in order. BMW. That should be all of those. Dodge Challenger. Challenger. Should be one more. Yep. Let's see here. There's the Range Rover. I really like the colors on these. The Range Rover. There's the Nova. Nova. Looks like there's going to be 4 Novas. Yeah. And here's the Chase. Volkswagen T1 GTR. That's it. So I got 1 Chase, 4 Novas, 4 Range Rovers, 5 Challengers, 5 BMWs, and 5 Nissan SX cars. Good looking. All right, guys, I'll probably do a set of these on the giveaway. See you on the next one.